Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open an account in Vanguard. First, you'll need to decide which type of account best suits your financial aspirations. Vanguard offers a variety of options, including individual brokerage accounts, joint accounts, and various retirement accounts like IRAs. Thinking about your investment goals, whether it's long-term growth, income generation, or saving for a specific event, will help guide your choice. This initial step is crucial for setting up your financial future effectively. Once you've selected your account type, the next step involves gathering some essential personal and financial information. You'll need your Social Security number or tax identification number for verification purposes. Additionally, have your current employer's name and address readily available. To fund your new account, you'll also need your bank account number and routing number. Having these details prepared beforehand will make the application process smooth and efficient, saving you valuable time. With your information ready, it's time to fund your new Vanguard account. The most common method is an electronic bank transfer, which is quick and convenient. Alternatively, you can mail a check or initiate a transfer of assets from another brokerage firm. Keep in mind that many Vanguard mutual funds have a minimum initial investment of $3,000, though some exchange-traded funds, or ETF, can be purchased for the price of a single share. Choose the funding method that works best for you. Finally, you'll select your investments. Vanguard is known for its extensive selection of low-cost exchange-traded funds and mutual funds. For a diversified, hands-off approach, consider target date funds, which automatically adjust their asset allocation over time. If you prefer more control, you can choose individual funds based on your risk tolerance and financial objectives. Remember to regularly review your investment choices to ensure they continue to align with your long-term financial goals and personal situation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.